Hi guys and girls, I'm just going to show you a quick close-up and micro review of the Twisted Assisted Bihai, B-I-H-A-I. This is a double D10 front flipper or thumb actuated opener made in collab with Twisted Assisted by Best Tech Knives, designed by Ostap Hell, the same designer who did the Twisted Assisted Tulip, which I'll show in comparison with this later in the video. I really like the sculptured lines and texture of the G10 scales. You can see the blade is well centered, and there's also a lanyard post. This one is the blackout version with PVD black coated blade and hardware and black G10 scales. You can get them from Twisted Assisted's website for £69.99 plus shipping. This knife is a non-locking double D10 front flipper, but it also has a large thumb opening, so it can simply be deployed with your thumb. The blade shape is a recurve or hawksbill and is 5.5 centimeters long. Again, short of the UK limit of 7.62 centimeters and made from 14C28N stainless steel, a good mid-range steel for general knife use. This knife can also be spidey flicked, which then allows your grip to fall naturally with your forefinger in the large choil. The spidey flick is the most natural. For an unadjusted grip, your hand just falls into place. Your fingers just fall into place. Here we have a size comparison with a classic pen knife by Victorinox, aka a Swiss Army knife. The model name is Spartan. Here we can see in my medium-sized hand that the Bihai is relatively small at 8.2 centimeters closed and 13.2 centimeters open. Then there's the Tulip next to it, also a front flipper, but only a front flipper. I suppose you could grab the blade with your fingers and pull it out, but there's no nick and little space to get your fingers in there, so there's only the option to use the jimping on top of the blade. So we can see this next to the Tulip, which is 6.8 centimeters long closed. Then we have the Benchmade Osborne, not legal for public carry in the UK. Twisted Assisted Mini Dundee flipper. It's also a front flipper and very nice. I like it. Also UK friendly. Really smooth action. This is a Demco AD 20.5 with Shark Lock, non-UK friendly EDC. This one is the Spyderco Tenacious, also a liner lock, not legal for UK carry. And here is the QSP Hedgehog, a very well made knife and very well priced at Heine Haynes. And the American Blade Works slip joint in titanium. Both of these blades are hollow ground and they are very nice slices, and they also have very good back springs. And then the last one here is the Twisted Assisted Atlas. That's it. The Twisted Assisted Bihai. Hope that was useful.